In this video, I'll show you how to create a scatter plot in Power BI using a car performance dataset. Let's dive in. First, open the Power BI desktop. Here, I'm using a car performance dataset. This dataset contains columns like car model, manufacturer, engine type, horsepower, mileage, curb weight, year, and price. We'll mainly focus on horsepower and mileage, MPG, for our scatter plot. Now, go to Report View. In the Visualizations pane, select the scatter chart icon. Next, drag and drop below fields. Add horsepower, HP, to x-axis. Add mileage, MPG, to y-axis. Add engine type to legend. Now we can clearly see a downward trend. As horsepower increases, mileage decreases. That's a negative correlation. Try adding a slicer for year so you can filter and see how cars from different years compare. Now you can explore how horsepower impacts mileage, and it's clear that high-performance engines trade off efficiency. That's it. You've just created an interactive scatter plot in Power BI. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.